Let's understand from the scratch type of reports. Okay, we'll start Power BI. Let's start. Remember, Power BI is actually a collection of tools. Okay, Power BI is a collection of reporting tools, free tools. All design tools in Power BI are free. And what is it we're going to do from today? Reporting. This entire week we'll be concentrating on reports. So we need to work with various data sources like Excel, PDF, JSON, Avro, Parquet, like this. We design reports from various data sources this week. Next week, we need to concentrate on Power Query. Main purpose of Power Query, you extract data. See, whatever source data you are given may not be the correct format. Sometimes you may need to perform additional activities before we generate the report. So there comes Power Query. Then comes report design. But again, sometimes like the report may not be up to the mark. We need to do extra calculations to it. There comes DAX. I repeat again. Okay, let's make it simple and straight, because next week we have 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on DAX. Today I'll be providing you a set of documents. Okay, please take print copies of all those documents. Get them ready. Here it is. Before we proceed, I'll just take a small example to understand what is what for our easy learning, easy understanding. Give me a few moments time. Yes, so here we go. Firstly, we'll start. Yes, so here we go. We'll be starting with two different types of sources. Okay, number one, file source, file sources. These are all file sources. Okay, and then you have database sources and other sources like websites, apps, etc. Other sources. Three different type of sources. Okay, now we have Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. This is a tool we are going to use from today. Okay, what is this? Power BI desktop. I'll put this way. Here it is. I'll say database sources and file sources. Let's see. For file and other sources, frequently we need one additional helping hand called Power Query. See, Power Query will be used anywhere, but mostly for file, say non-database sources. There comes Power Query. Why? Simple logic. Important. Power BI desktop is a in-memory database. Inside Power BI, we need to work with one database called in-memory database. Okay, what is an in-memory database? It is from the in-memory database. Actual calculations, computations, everything takes place. If it is database source, it can be directly loaded. No problem. If it is file source, we may need to, depending on the format of our data, we may need to load it to Power Query first, and then from Power Query we need to give it to actual reporting activity, and this in-memory database is inside the reporting pane or the reporting component. So this is our actual reporting component inside it that contains in-memory database. So database content may go to Power Query. Okay, and then from here it comes to the in-memory database. Okay, like this. This is called LET process. This is called LET, load extract transform process. LET, remember this for our next week classes. I repeat again, by next week we need to step into Power Query. I said 50 examples. There we come across something called LET commands. Good user interface, Power BI this week. From next week, we need to have certain expressions. Out of 50, the 50 examples, few examples have expressions called Power Query expressions. So keeping them in mind, we should know what is what. Next, from here comes our actual add-ons. So here is a report, say report activities will be available here like this. And then comes, just wait, okay, comes some additional report concepts. Okay, Power Query ready. And once your Power Query is ready, data will be ready. And then we have reports, right? So here it is like this, reports ready. Sometimes these reports may not be accurate or may not be enough for the end user share. So there comes the next concept called DAX. DAX comes here, data analysis expression language. Okay, so DAX would be somewhere like there are auto implementation of DAX plus manual implementation of DAX. From there, the reports will be given to hosting area. Okay, like this. So there comes two hosting areas, Power BI Cloud and Power BI Reports Server. Okay, like this. So Power BI Cloud, usually DAX based reports will be going to Power BI Cloud usually, and other one something called Report Server. Okay, so this is called service. Remember, Power BI Cloud also called service, and other one is Power BI Report Server. I'll just label them carefully. I'll provide you this image. It will be helpful for our examples from today. Let's start with the data sources one by one and understand the concept. I repeat again, what's our main purpose? Extract data and design reports from scratch. We'll start now. We'll take one CSV, comma separated value file. Today we'll take one CSV file. Then first example, second example today PDF. Okay, today. Tomorrow we'll take something called AVRO and Parquet file. We'll concentrate on data sources today, tomorrow. Then we'll take website, web, and then take SQL database and MS Access database. Okay, once we are done with these data sources, understanding the visualizations this entire week, next week comes Power Query, then report activities and cloud, identify limitations, then finally DAX and cloud, identify the advantages. In this process, we'll proceed for report server also. Okay, we'll do it carefully step by step. Now, any questions here? Hope you got the plan now, please. We'll start now. Hope you got the plan, please. We'll start now.
Yes, sir.
I'll wait.
Thank you.
Yep. Everyone, please. Hope it is clear. We'll start our practice now slowly. Few attendees, no response there. Please help me. Let's make it interactive. Things are a bit vast. Things are a bit vast. Let's make it clear in what we learn and how and why. Need your support. Good to have your observation notes. Let's get started now. I assume we're all very new, okay? We'll start from the scratch carefully. You'll be given the required download. Okay, you download the required file. I'll provide you anyway. Assume, for example, you have a CSV file. To start our practice in an interesting way, I'll take single CSV file today. Mostly by tomorrow or day after, we'll go with multiple CSV files together. Things are a bit different one by one. Let's start with single CSV file. I'll provide you one CSV, comma separated value file. Email notes today. Email notes. You get one CSV file. I'll provide you today. Our requirement. For example, if it is Excel, you select some content and directly, let's see here, chart like this. Okay, you can directly have the chart like this. For example, month-wise sales in this way. This is Excel. Excel report. What Excel is doing here? Simple. It is computing the totals, right? Sum. See the symbol here. Same thing, same concept in Power BI also. Let's see how it is. You have the Power BI tool with you. If not, you'll get in the web link. I'll provide you on email. All we do is, firstly, you already have the tool with you. If not, please get it. There was an update over the weekend, actually, I think 2 days back there was an update. Power BI keeps updating. Latest update November 23rd, first week standard time. I'll provide you the download link today. Get the latest tool installed. Let's observe carefully. Firstly, you download. I'll compose this in the email. Download, double click, start the installation. Once your installation is complete, you need to launch it. Just download, no extra steps, nothing. Download, extract, double click and start the installation. Our requirement. Assume you are given a CSV file. Okay, I'll provide the CSV file in the email today. It has some data, certain data. Let's see the data first. I'll launch Power BI. Download, double click and start the installation. No inputs, nothing. We'll go for questions in next 20 minutes. Okay, let me explain you the things, revise them, then we go for questions. Good to write your observation notes, please. Good to write your observation notes. We'll go in a slow pace. Very first time you connect Power BI or very first time you launch Power BI, it asks you to sign up. Sign up is not required. Close the extra prompts if any for sign up. Click on blank report. See here. Click on blank report. And what's our requirement? Import from CSV. Click text or CSV. See here. So this is an interface. Okay. This is our play area. Yeah, various report shapes and this one home, database and file source. Okay. See this is a symbol. Text or CSV. I'll provide you one source data, text or CSV. Give some source. I'll take this data source. Open. Let's understand the definition of Power BI now. I said Power BI is a reporting environment. What kind of reports? What I did, I just install. You'll do it after the class anyway. Observe carefully. Download, install, and launch Power BI. This one. Launch Power BI. Get data CSV and load. Click load. Where it is loaded? Remember, it is loaded to one in-memory database. It is loaded to one in-memory database, and it will create something called as a model. It will create a model. Model means a relational entity. Of course, right now only one single file. So it's like a database with a single table. The model has a single entity. The main meaning of model comes with at least two tables, relations. For now, single table, model with a single in-memory database object. For now, go to table and verify the data. Country, company, month, sale 1, 2, 3 like this. Go back to report. See, this is the table view. We imported the data. Where? Into Power BI. Now go back to report. Go to report. Next. Build visuals with your data. Select or drag fields from the data pane. Select or drag fields from the data pane into report canvas. This is called the canvas. This is the data pane. Interestingly, see, the column data types are auto detected. Text values are untouched. Numerical values have summary symbol like this. Let's start with report. For our easy learning, we'll start with the first one, stack bar chart. What is this? It is a visualization, report shape for charts. Bar chart, another one column chart. Bar chart means one below the other. Columns, one beside the other. One below the other, bar. One beside the other, column. For now, bar chart. Country-wise sales like this. One below the other. Go to format. See here, format and data label on means you get the labels like this. Value. Expand and applies to all. For now, say data label on, and here we can specify detail on. Okay, we'll take detail after some time anyway. For now, data label on. Off means no data label on. Go to options. Go to options and specify, for example, position. Here it is auto or inside end like this. make it uniform, say inside end in this way. Okay, next, what else? Here it is, click anywhere outside or anywhere outside. For our easy understanding, I'll take a table also. First visual, data bar, beside that a table. This is a table, country, company, month, sale, 1 2 3, like this. Then so you get the content in this. Then you decided to increase the font size for this table. Go to format, grid and options, give the font size. What is it? Go to grid, format and font size. I repeat again, observe carefully. Firstly, what we did, bar chart or any visualization of your choice. For example, company wise sales, right? And go to format, data labels on. No worries about remaining, leave it as it is. Expand data labels, position inside center or inside end, like this. For now, I'll say center in this way. Click anywhere outside. Then what next? Let's see. Click anywhere outside, like this. Table, click on the table, country, company, month, sale, 1 2 3, like. Go to format, go to format, and here grid. Okay, grid option, give the font size like this. In this way, you are done. Now remember, main advantage of Power BI, we have something called interactions, interactive report. Okay, what is it? Interactive report. Interactive report means very important. I click on, for example, SQL School. Only SQL School data will be filtered automatically. I click on Vimeo. Only Vimeo company data is filtered automatically. That is called interactive report. Because next classes we have something called paginated reports. For now, interactive means I click on one particular box, you get only that particular box related content, like. But sometimes you want to highlight a box, but you don't want to filter it. I repeat, by default, you highlight, it's filtered. What if you want to disable the filter? Interesting. Let's see. I repeat, highlight a particular box, you get it auto filtered. Say, assume for PowerPoint presentations or some other kind of slideshows or screenshot based reporting, you want to highlight something, but you don't want to filter. Then what we do? Let's see. I repeat again what we did so far. I clicked on start stack bar, expand, company, sale, go to format. Come on, what next, please? What next, please? You remember? Data label, right? Isn't it?
Data label.
Position,
Position.
center, end, whatever. Next, click anywhere outside. Table, country, company, month, sale, 1 2 3, like this. Come on, how to increase size of the table, please? How to increase size of the table?
Yeah, options, global font size.
Then grid.
Options. I
Grid
provided a
size.
complete to write your observation notes. Font size. I click on Vimeo. Only Vimeo data is filtered. Fabricum. Only Fabricum data is filtered. It is called interactive reports, also called as visual interaction property. The reports are called interactive reports. Property, technical name of the property is visual interaction. But sometimes you want to highlight, but you don't want to filter. How do we do that? Let's select a particular visualization. Go to format. See here, go to format, edit interaction. Okay, format, edit interaction. Here you see circle filter. The moment you click on edit interaction, you got circle and filter. Click circle means no interaction. I click on Fabricum, still you see all data, no filter. I click on dog wings, still you see all data, no filter, because edit interactions, no interaction. If I say filter, then again the default, only dog wings, only fabricum like this. So visual interaction property and edit interaction, edit interaction. I repeat again, by default, I click on a particular company or particular month or country. That data is filtered. You don't want to filter, what we do, select that particular visual, set remap visual, format, edit interactions. Click on edit interactions, top right you see none and filter. None means no filter, or you want the filter, you add it. Okay, in this way. With this information, next step. So what we learned so far, number one, how to bring the data into Power BI, file data for today, CSV file or any file, load into in-memory database, start generating the reports. This is how the report looks like across multiple pages. And we learned how to disable the interaction. Come on, please, how to disable the interaction? Default is home. How to disable? Format.
Format, edit
Then
interactions.
edit interaction. Okay, click on edit interaction,
Then we
no
turn that off.
interaction, or select the interaction. For example, you select interaction, click fabricum, only fabricum data is reported. Once you practice these items, save the report. I'll call it as basic from CSV like this. Give some report name. Extension is PBIX, Power BI X velocity database, simply Power BI report database or Power BI report file. Click save. I repeat, click on save or go to file and save it. It is stored in Power BI document format. Okay, you practice these items carefully today. To understand tomorrow's class, please revise case statement in SQL. Yes, we are aware of case statement in SQL, please. I'll wait. Case.
Yes, sir.
Others, please, we are aware of SQL concepts, right? Case statement, SQL basics are enough. Case, when,
Yes, sir.
then, else. That case statement interface will be taken tomorrow in Power BI. I repeat again, what we are learning so far, download, install. I'll provide the required software. I'll provide the data source today, CSV file. Open the CSV file from Power BI, get data, load the content and report. Test number one. So we download and install, got the basic report. In this process, we got visual interaction. Visual interaction means I click on one particular box or data point like fabricum. Only fabricum data is available in the report, right? I click on a particular country or company. That particular content is available in the output. Edit interaction means please. Edit interaction means please. I'll wait.
Not filter.
Yeah, filtering the report based on the selection.
Exactly. Edit interaction means disabling the filter or disabling the interaction. Even though I clicked on a particular country or company, still no filtering should occur. Yes, are we getting it, please? I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. You'll practice this carefully today. Okay. And next, very important item. Tomorrow we need to learn grouping binning for first 10-15 minutes. This is from the case statement of SQL. Please revise. Then we need to learn slicer visual sync for about 30 minutes. What is slicer? It is a visual. Day after tomorrow, hierarchies drill up, drill down, and drill through. They go in a single path. To understand drill through, we should know drill down. To implement drill down, there should be hierarchies in order. Then comes next class bookmarks, big data access, and so on. I'll provide you this complete keywords checklist also now. Okay. If possible, please take print copies of the same. One email to be sent in another few minutes. Please give me a few moments time. Let me send the complete content. I'll send you some Word documents. Please go through them carefully. Yes, email sent just now with 4 attachments. Please check it. I'll wait. Email sent to everyone. Please check. I'll wait. Email sent to everyone. Please check it. I'll wait, please. You'll practice carefully this complete concept. Got the mail, everyone? Please check it. Please, I'll wait. I'll wait for some.